Hi, in this video we will see how to use our support portal for mograSIS. So to start with, you can open any browser. The preferable browser will be Internet Explorer. So I am opening Internet Explorer, and the ID for opening URL for opening this support portal is support.mograSIS.com. So when you open this one, it will open the portal and it will ask you for login ID or email ID or password. So my login ID is Datta and the password. So when I submit, it will open and it will show all the available clients to you. So because I have logged in as an admin, I am able to see all the client in my list. Accordingly, if the school is opening, you will see only your school name here. So to show as an example, I am going to show you one school. Let's take an example of India, the SSVM Mumbai. Now, in order to raise a ticket, you will be able to click on this new. So when you click on new, it will ask you to enter summary. So for example, I wanted to request school to give me the logo. So I can write, please provide logo. The highest priority for me. This is configuration. It's not repeating. I wanted to have it by tomorrow. Module name is other. It's not specific to anything. Or I will say it is in setup, and it is assigned to this particular user from school. Then I'll be able to also mark them an email, so that they will be able to get an email notification. So for example, I want to have a notification to myself also, and submit. So when I do that, it will generate one ticket ID, and it has already emailed to these 3 people. So whatever updates will happen now here on, automatically it will be sending an email notifications to the user which are marked. If any additional users to be marked, you will be able to click on this particular user list and submit. Now let's say you wanted to relate this particular ticket to some other ticket. I'll be able to click a related item, click on this particular thing. Now this I'll be able to do it even in the different schools, like interchanged if it is related to each other. Now for now, just to show you an example, I will take it from same school. So let's say I am saying this ticket 1 is related to ticket 2. So I can just put comments there and submit. So you can see now if I click on related to 1, it will go to 1. If I click on related to 2, it will go to 2. Now coming back to dashboard, so here you have an option to view the summary. So for example, now I have an option here to view summary. So I can see how many open, assigned, reopened, deferred, fixed or not an issue. So this will help always. And you will be able to click on this, and also it will come. In order to follow up on the existing ticket, when you open that all ticket details, you can also see or sort it by ticket name. So these all columns you can sort it. You can also see the timestamp. You can also export this into Excel. If you wanted to edit your detail like my name or email ID or password, you'll be able to go to options and click on edit user detail profile, and you can change this. Thank you very much for watching.